You lock your doors every time you leave the house, right? It's a fundamental part of feeling safe and secure in your home. We double-check, maybe even triple-check, just to be absolutely sure. You install cameras, strategically placed to monitor every angle of your property. These watchful eyes are there to deter potential intruders and provide valuable evidence if anything does happen, and maybe even have a video doorbell, allowing you to see and speak to anyone who approaches your front door, whether you're home or away. It's a convenient and effective way to screen visitors and keep an eye on deliveries. These are the classic ways to protect your home. They're the measures we've been taught to rely on, the physical barriers and electronic sentinels that stand guard against the outside world. But there's a digital vulnerability most people ignore, a gap in your security that can be exploited without ever triggering an alarm, one that's visible to anyone, anywhere with just a few clicks. It's a readily available resource that provides a wealth of information about your property. I'm talking about Google Maps, the ubiquitous mapping service that has become an indispensable tool for navigation and exploration, and its Street View feature. This seemingly harmless function offers a panoramic view of streets around the world, captured by specially equipped vehicles. This tool, while great for navigation, finding local businesses and exploring new places, also gives a crystal-clear, street-level view of your home to the entire world. It's like having an open house 24/7, with anyone able to virtually walk around your property. Anyone can see your yard layout, the landscaping choices you've made, and the general condition of your property. Window types, providing insights into the interior layout and potential valuables within. Door locations, including those less visible from the street, offering a comprehensive understanding of access points, and even potential hiding spots, areas where someone could conceal themselves while observing your home. All without ever setting foot on your property. It's reconnaissance made easy, providing valuable information to anyone with an internet connection. It's not spy tech or some obscure hacking tool. It's a standard feature millions use daily, completely unaware of the potential security implications. While your physical home is secure with reinforced doors and state-of-the-art alarm systems, your digital front door might be wide open, inviting unwanted attention and potentially compromising your safety. A sturdy lock can't stop someone, or even slow them down, who's already studied your home's exterior online, meticulously planning their approach and identifying vulnerabilities. Security cameras might catch a burglar in the act, providing valuable evidence for law enforcement. But what if you could deter them from ever targeting your home? What if you could make your property less appealing to potential criminals in the first place? In the 21st century, where technology permeates every aspect of our lives, home security means managing both your physical and digital footprint. It's about being aware of the information that's readily available about your property and taking steps to protect it. Protecting your home now includes not just the traditional methods, but also controlling who can virtually stand on your curb and observe your property from afar. It's time to close this digital blind spot for good and take control of your online presence to enhance your overall home security. In today's digital age, burglars have adapted to technology, becoming more sophisticated in their methods. They're no longer just casing neighborhoods the old-fashioned way. They're now using readily available tools like Google Street View as a tool for digital reconnaissance, allowing them to scout potential targets from the comfort of their own locations. Instead of driving around and risking suspicion by attracting attention to themselves, they can now scout hundreds of homes remotely, quickly, and anonymously, all without ever setting foot in the neighborhood. This allows them to be much more efficient in their planning. They meticulously look for easy access points, the vulnerabilities that make a home an attractive target. This includes ground floor windows hidden by bushes, offering concealment for a potential break-in, tall fences for cover, providing a screen from neighbors and passers-by, or outdated alarm systems visible from the street, signaling a potentially less secure property. Street View also lets them spot homes with secluded backyards, offering privacy and reducing the risk of being seen, side entrances, which may be less visible from the street and easier to breach, or no visible security signs, indicating a lack of security measures that might deter them. They can even check for new cars in the driveway or other visible signs of affluence, hinting at recent upgrades or wealth, making the home a more tempting target. This isn't just theory. This is a real and present danger in many communities. Police departments across the country have reported real cases where burglars have openly admitted to using Google Maps and similar tools to meticulously plan break-ins. By the time they arrive at your property, they already know the layout intimately. Vulnerabilities such as unlocked windows or weak doors and potential escape routes, ensuring a quick and clean getaway. It's a low-risk, high-reward method for criminals, giving them a significant advantage. Understanding this threat and how these tools are being used against you is the first and most crucial step to countering it and protecting your home. Don't let your home be an easy target for digital casing. Take proactive steps to secure your property. Take action to protect your home and family before someone else does. The solution? Ask Google to blur your home on Street View. Blurring puts a permanent digital curtain over your property, making it a fuzzy, indistinct block online. Anyone browsing your address will see the street and your neighbors, but your home's details are hidden. Celebrities, government buildings, and sensitive sites have used this for years, and so can you. The blur is thorough. No visible house color, car, or window count. It's like drawing your blinds for the entire world. While Street View's intent is harmless, it can be misused. Blurring your home reclaims a piece of your privacy. It stops a casual search from turning into a criminal's surveillance report. You're taking control of your digital presence. Make your home less attractive to those who use technology for the wrong reasons. It's a simple, effective step toward digital security. Blurring your home on Google Maps is quick and easy. Open Google Maps on your computer and enter your address. Drag the yellow pegman icon onto your street to enter Street View. Center your house in the frame for the best angle. Click Report a Problem in the bottom right corner. On the new page, adjust the red box to cover your house. Select My Home as the reason for your request. Enter your email address so Google can follow up if needed. Double-check the red box covers your property, then hit Submit. You'll get an email confirming your request is under review. No tech skills required, just a few clicks and you're done. Once approved, your home will be blurred for good. It's a fast, free way to boost your privacy. Take 5 minutes to protect your digital curb appeal. Before you blur your home, know this. The request should come from the property owner or current resident. Google doesn't verify ownership strictly, but it's meant for those who live there. Once your home is blurred, it's permanent. There's no undo button. If you change your mind or want to sell your house, you can't reverse the blur. This could be a hurdle for real estate listings, as buyers often use Street View to check neighborhoods. Think carefully before submitting your request. You'll lose the ability to see your home's history on Street View. For many, the privacy and security are worth it. It's a personal decision. Balance your need for privacy with future flexibility. Make sure you're ready for the permanent change. Security experts agree. Blurring your home disrupts digital reconnaissance and makes you a harder target. It's a simple act of digital hygiene that removes your home from easy online scouting. The psychological benefit is real. You regain control over your home's public image. It's not just about stopping burglars, it's about peace of mind. Some worry a blurred house might attract curiosity, but there's little evidence it increases risk. The main downside is the permanent nature of the blur, which could affect future home sales. Still, the security benefits far outweigh the drawbacks for most people. It's a free, effective layer to add to your home security strategy. In today's digital world, it's a smart move. Take control of your online privacy and make your home less appealing to criminals. When you think about home security, expensive cameras and complex alarm systems might be the first things that come to mind. These solutions can certainly offer a sense of security, but they often come with a hefty price tag and require professional installation. But what if I told you there's a simple, free way to enhance your home's digital privacy that takes just minutes? Blurring your home on publicly accessible platforms is a surprisingly effective method. Forget about complicated setups, specialized tools, or confusing technical manuals. No technical skills are needed, and there's absolutely no ongoing maintenance required. It's just a quick and easy online request, a few clicks, and you're done. The process is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Once it's done, you never have to think about it again. It works quietly in the background, providing an extra layer of protection without any further effort on your part. This makes digital privacy accessible to everyone, regardless of age, background, or technical proficiency. It's a simple step that anyone can take to protect their home and family. It's not just for the tech-savvy or wealthy. It's a practical solution for anyone who wants to enhance their home's security. Blurring your home is a proactive step, a simple yet powerful way to take control of your digital footprint and protect your property. By obscuring your home's visibility, you're potentially stopping criminals before they even choose your address, making your property a less attractive target. It works alongside your physical security measures such as fences, lights, and alarm systems to create a comprehensive defense against potential threats. You're essentially closing a digital loophole, a vulnerability you might not have even realized existed, adding an extra layer of security to your home. In a world full of complex cyber threats and ever-evolving digital risks, taking simple precautions can make a significant difference. This is a simple, effective action with immediate results, providing you with a tangible sense of security and control over your digital privacy. The peace of mind is real. Knowing that you've taken a proactive step to protect your home and family can bring a sense of calm and security. You've taken control of your digital security, empowering yourself to protect your property and loved ones in an increasingly digital world. Protect your family and property with a single click, taking a simple step that can have a significant impact on your overall security. It's a small effort for a big return, a minimal investment of time and effort that yields significant benefits in terms of enhanced security and peace of mind. Don't wait. Take action now to protect your home and family from potential digital threats. Secure your digital front door today, adding an essential layer of protection to your home's overall security strategy. Blurring your home isn't just about stopping burglars. It's about privacy in every aspect of life. If you're involved in legal disputes, public life, or face online harassment, hiding your home's image is a smart move. Stalkers and harassers can use Street View to intimidate or invade your space. Blurring removes this tool from their hands. It also protects your family's privacy. No more revealing details like kids' bikes or playhouses visible to strangers. In an age where we teach kids not to overshare online, this is a logical extension. You're helping shift the culture toward greater digital privacy. The more people take action, the more tech companies notice. Your choice sends a message. Privacy matters. Join the movement for safer, more private digital lives. You now know the risks and the solution. Your home's digital presence can be exploited, but blurring it is a simple, permanent fix. Home security isn't just physical anymore, it's digital too. In minutes, you can shield your home from prying eyes worldwide. This isn't paranoia, it's smart, modern security. Search your address on Google Maps and see what's visible. If you're uncomfortable, take action and request a blur. It's a proactive step for privacy and peace of mind. Don't wait for a problem. Secure your digital curb appeal now. By blurring your home, you show that your privacy and safety matter. One